Earthquakes are considered a natural disaster. In this case, we cannot predict when an earthquake would occur. Most earthquakes happen and we never feel them. These small tremors have a low magnitude, but on occasion, there can be an earthquake that has a large magnitude that you will actually feel the earth shaking. This is when we need to be prepared for an earthquake and how to respond. When you feel the ground shaking during an earthquake, remember to drop, take cover, and hold on. Drop down to your hands and knees to prevent being knocked over. Cover your head and neck with your arms to protect yourself from falling objects, and hold on to your sheltering position until the shaking stops. While you're taking these steps, you should also try to look around for a safe spot in the classroom if you are away from a desk. Stay away from windows, glass, heavy furniture, and anything that could fall on you. Try to get under a desk or table if possible. And remember, the goal is to protect yourself from any potential hazards. During an actual earthquake or any safety drill, it's important to try to stay calm, quiet, and listen to your teacher. Once your teacher gives the signal, it's time to evacuate to our school's designated area. Walk calmly and quietly, following your teacher's instructions, as there might be a need to change your route. Stay together as a class and be aware of your surroundings. This will allow the school to determine the next steps for the safety of our students and staff. Besides the classroom, it's also important to think of places around the school you could be if there was an earthquake. This could be something like the cafeteria, the hallway, a specialist like art, or even outside at recess. Regardless of where you are, make sure you are aware of your surroundings, drop, cover, and hold, and if necessary, move away from anything that could create a dangerous situation for you. Remember, safety drills are not meant to scare anyone, but rather to help us be prepared and safe. Teachers and other school staff are here to guide and support you and your classmates during these drills. If you have any questions or concerns about safety drills, it's always a good idea to talk to your teacher or a trusted adult. Also remember, safety is everyone's responsibility here at Moran Prairie.